Strengthening Faith 87. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the countless people in this world, and the countless different paths they are journeying down. This in itself is an indication of the infinite power of Allah, the Exalted. Even though there are billions of people, yet no two people walk the exact same path in life. Understanding these signs strengthens one's faith, but this chapter will discuss something else. Whenever a Muslim finds themselves on a lawful path, they should firstly show true gratitude to Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings He alone granted them in the way prescribed by Islam. The other important thing is that a Muslim should never look down on others, believing that their path is somehow superior to the path of others, especially those who are on a lawful path also. This only leads to pride, which will lead one to hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 266. Instead, they should firstly understand that they are unaware of the final outcome of their life or the lives of others. Someone on an unlawful path can easily sincerely repent and be saved before death. Secondly, in the case of others on a lawful path, a Muslim should understand that each person has been granted the best path for them, which differs from the best possible path of others. For example, one Muslim may spend most of their time in a mosque, and another Muslim may spend most of their time on lawful worldly things, such as an occupation. The first Muslim is not better than the second, as each person is on the best path for them. If they swapped places, it would most likely lead them to destruction. For example, if they swapped, the one who now spends time in a mosque could adopt pride and thus be destroyed. So it is better for them to be involved in lawful worldly things. On the other hand, the other Muslim who now dedicates most of their time to the material world could get lost in it and head towards the unlawful. So it would be better for this Muslim to spend most of their time in a mosque. Therefore, Muslims should never be jealous nor look down upon each other, as each person is on the best possible path for them, as long as this path is lawful. This attitude will always lead to humility and mutual love for each other, and according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2510, sincerely loving each other for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, is a characteristic which leads one to paradise. It is important to note, this discussion does not mean one should not try to improve themselves by acting on the teachings of Islam. It means they should be happy for others who are journeying down a lawful path. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.